Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Myself Raghavinder. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the multi-stage Docker build for Node.js application using Distroless image. So in most production environments, people face challenge with the Docker images because the normal Docker images are with like larger size. Okay, so how can we the when you use a log like big size like 1 or 2 GB size Docker images, then your application automatically feels heavy, and the load time will increase, and it affects on the other environments as well, right? So to solve this, like to use Node.js applications, we use the distress images. So so we do the like multi-stage, and then we'll use the distress images. So first we'll build, okay, then we'll run. So the build stage and run, then we can able to reduce the size of the Docker images. So see how much size will it, like most of the people will get some doubts like how much size it will improve. So you will get surprised. So it will reduce the size by 90%. Okay, so 90 to 95% we can reduce the size. So this will be a wonderful, right? For example, if it is a like 1 GB, so you can make the application uh, into a 100 MB. So almost you are saving around 90%, right? So in this project, the normal file, the normal Node.js application, Node.js image was around 1.57 GB. And if you see here, oh, let me, okay, this was a project I have already done. And yeah, here are the images. So here's the project, and here are the images. Let me just show you. So we can also check with a tag. Okay. So give me some, yeah, see. The normal application was normal image was around 1.57 GB, and then the digital is it 170, like around 90% we have reduced the size of the image. So this is a benefit of the digital image, and it makes your application faster and usable for the other developers and other users. So it feels lighter, it feels like more usable. Okay, we'll just explore. So we can also try in the application, but see, I'm just showing you. So uh, let me go back and just explain what was the project. So here we just wanted a simple uh, application, and this was a simple application. We are using port 300 here, and it will be running on the port 300, and it has to show the hello from Distroless Node.js Docker image. Okay, so this is a simple application, simple file we can say. And then the packages which we wanted to for the node, so we have named it as a node Distroless demo. Then the main file is app.js, and the version 1.0. And then so we have created two Docker files, one for the normal application. So this for the normal application. Here we have used the node image directly, node version directly, and the one work directory, the slash app. So which is a work directory, and then copy from the package.json, and then we'll run the npm install, and then copy, then expose application, then cmd. So what needs to be done first, so we'll use it in the cmd. Then once we once we build, so it automatically build the Docker image. Okay, so yeah, so we have already done that. So we already have that. So you just need to run the commands as we already given in the uh, so yeah. So we have already given here how you can. So once you have done with the normal Dockerfile, so you just need to run this command. So give the tag, any tag name how you want it to give. You can give the tag name, and then you can check the image size. Okay, with the here is a tag name of your a name of your image. So, okay, so you can check the size. And so for this, like this is about the normal Dockerfile, and here is a fun part. So like first we will check for your first we'll check. So here itself, and we'll just copy this because we have already run this. Just paste and we'll check. So what is the, see if you see here, the normal, the image name, node normal latest, and the ID, then the size. Okay, got it. This is about the normal application. Then when we see the Distroless Dockerfile, here we have the two stages, build stage and run stage. So here we are using Node.js image as a builder. So since we are using it as a builder, we are reducing almost the size of the image since we are using the builder. So the work application is same, and copy from the package.json is same. This is the Distroless we are using, and the copy. Uh, this is the, see, we are using Debian 11, so which uses from Debian 11 the Node.js Distroless image which we are using here in the run stage, and then we are copying from the builder here from the build stage. We are copying, and we have using the same port 3000, and the, so which application needs to be start first, the run first. So we are just giving the app.js, which is our main application. Then once a Docker file is done, I hope you understand clearly. And once it is done, so we'll just need to build the image. Okay. So, and give the tag name here. Then we'll check, because I already have this. So I'll check the size. Okay. So see, it is 170 now. The same Node.js application, and everything is same. So we got it at just 170 MB. So this is how you can reduce the size of the Node.js applications, and you can make the applications more efficient, more lighter, and more like you can make it perform better. So yeah, and we'll also see the local. So this is the port 3000. You can run on your local machine. So here is how like you can run your application. So that's about the like so after your check your size of the Docker files, the then you can run this command. So for the port, then you can check the localhost 3000. You can, once you can see this, so see your text, or you can say application, so you're done. So congratulations, you have successfully reduced the size of the application. So once try to implement the same project, so just clone it and run on your machine. Then let me know in the comments, so what is the size of the image, and how much you are able to reduce the size. So that's about today's video. If you have any suggestions, just let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you. Bye bye.